Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see the hyperlinking function in Excel. It's a very useful function. I have created a P&L account. See, so on the debit side, I have certain items here, and on the credit side, I have sales, stocks, and miscellaneous income. So if I have to add to the sales of this amount, if I have to make it 9,50,000, I will click on this. This will take me to the sales sheet. It's a dedicated sheet for this account. I will add 50,000. So the total comes here, and the total, I have given a name to the total. I have given a name to the total. How do you give a name? Supposing say I have to give a name to this 9,50,000. I can say right click, define name. See, it has automatically taken the sales as the name. Why? Because it is immediately to the left of this figure. So if I accept this, then wherever I go, I can is equal to sales. I can say this. Say sales is this much. So I have given a name to this cell, and I can recall that wherever I need that. So I can say sales into 10 by 100. If I change this, that also gets changed. So this is how you create names. There is another method I'll show you. See, where are the names stored? They are stored here. Go to formulas, go to name manager. This name manager, I have stored this cell as sales, this one. I'll remove this now. See, now again I will give the same name to this cell through a different method. See this box, it says it is name box. See, this is called name box. It is shown here, name box. Go to name box, keep your cursor here, go to name box and just write sales, whatever name you want to give to this cell, enter. So see, this one is M12, this one is M14, and this is not M13. This is sales. You can use M13 also to get this value, and you can also use equals sales. So I'm deleting this now. Okay, I'll show you how to create this file. So in each page, I have calculated the total through this sum formula. Then I have given a name. Like in this page, this is a sales account. So I have called it net underscore sales. Go back. So purchases. This is the total amount. I have named it as net purchases. Supposing you want to add some more lines, so don't insert row here. If you insert a row here, what happens is, see, a gap will come here. Control Z, create a row here so that no gaps come into this list. So this way. Again, F4. F4 will repeat F4. It will repeat the earlier command. So this way, even if we have added some rows here, see, it still this one shows the name as net purchases. The name has not changed. Even though we have pushed it down by 4, 5 rows, the name has not changed. That is the benefit of giving name to a particular cell and calling by the particular name in calculations. So coming back to this, if you say cartage, then total of this cartage, I called it as cartage, come back. Supposing I have to add something to this cartage, I'll say 850, 2024, 826, I'll say 826, so that I get a Control D, 826 I have said, and 2000. Let's go and see whether cartage shows 2000 or not. Cartage here shows 2000. Stocks. If there is any change here, you can write it. Miscellaneous income. So it says 6,800. I'll put 200 more. 7,000. Miscellaneous income should be 7,000. See, 7,000. This way, we can use this. Now, how to create a hyperlink. So, I'll remove some of the hyperlinks and I'll create them. I'll remove these hyperlinks. Remove hyperlinks. Right click, remove hyperlinks. Now, no hyperlinks are here. I'll go to sales and okay. First, we will create hyperlink. To create hyperlink, the file has to be saved at least once. If the first you open a new file, Excel file, it is not saved and you are trying to do hyperlinking, it will not take because it is not saved. So see, by clicking this, I want to go to this page. How do you do? How do you accomplish this task of hyperlinking? Okay. Keep the cursor here. The cursor position is always important in Excel. Cursor position is on sales. Insert, click on this hyperlinking. Okay. Then it says, see the file name. First you have to select the appropriate file. Then after selecting the file, you are supposed to select the particular sheet. To select the particular sheet in this file, click on bookmark. The moment you click on bookmark, you get the names of all the sheets. It says this is what we want. Okay. Again, click on OK. See now, if you click on this, you go to sales. Click back on P&L account, you come to P&L account. We will repeat on this. Stocks. Insert, keep your cursor on stocks on this cell. Click on insert hyperlinking. Then select the file. This is the file. Select it. If it is not saved, you will not find the file name here. So saving at least once is necessary to see your file name here. Then click on bookmark. What is this? Is I'll come to this. This is stocks. Stocks. Stock. What is your stock? Now, when you click, you should go to your stock. Yes, closing stock. This is the stock which is available with the company. Come back. So this is how you create hyperlinking. It's that easy. And click make on this also. Click on the file, then bookmark. After bookmark, you have to select the appropriate sheet name this way. Okay. We had seen some more names there. Let's go and see. Supposing we are just when you are clicking on bookmark, in addition to the sheet names, you see the defined names also. These defined names are nothing but, as I have shown you, the sales, net sales, these are also visible here. So here, what is the total? We called it rent paid. Even this rent paid is a name given by us. So those names are also visible there. So this way, for each of these things, you have to first create a sheet, then create this structure. Okay, when you create this structure, you need not create this for individually for all pages. You have to select all these at once. How? Keep your shift pressed. I have kept my shift pressed. Then see, this is how you can select a group of sheets. See, I'm able to select so many sheets now. See, ungroup sheets. That means they are grouped now. Now, when I make some changes here, if I create a structure like this is a structure. So it will come on all the pages. That is the beauty of Excel. And I want to ungroup it. I'll right click on any of the things and I'll say ungroup sheets. This is how, this is a small command. It's not highly professional, but it is very, very useful sometimes because it takes just 10 minutes to create it. And even if you save this file in a different folder or a different directory, the same will work. There is no problem. You can download this file from my website, excelprograms.in. Go to shop. So different categories of programs, Excel program projects and programs are there. You can just download them. I have kept the rate at 0 for all the programs. So you can download them and see which is best for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.